There's a young buck that just went by. Oh, there he is right there. Look at him. It's okay. Hey. There are two. He's looking for his friend. I really don't want to disturb them just so I can get a photograph or a video. They shouldn't have to deal without their night's water just because I want a picture. So I'm going to go back and have a seat. All right. Well, I decided not to have a campfire tonight just because of all of the different animals that have been walking through this campsite. So I'm just going to cold camp it. I'm not too worried about predators because of the animals that were out here with their young. They were just kind of languishing and they didn't show a whole lot of concern. So that leads me to believe that there's not a whole lot of predators in this area. But if you don't hear from me, I wonder what happened. So as you can see, it is rainy and I don't want to get stuck up, even though it's not supposed to be a rainy day. I don't want to get stuck up on these high mountain pass with any kind of weather at all, just because you never know what's going to happen.